Steve was Warrington here from Your Next Car Dunedin. Today we're going to have a look around this 2017 Nissan Note emergency brake package. So the emergency brake package is a bit flashier than your basic Note. So you've got lane departure assist, what's a really good thing. You've got idle stop technology, and you also got collision assist there as well. Check that out for fuel economy, only 5.2 litres per 100 Ks. And the best thing about this car is you get a $954 rebate back. So these Notes are excellent for boot space, plenty of room there, 3-point seat belts all the way across. You've also got your ISO fixed points there for your car seats too. Let's jump in the front and have a wee look as well. It's a really nice interior. Just had a brand new service and waff by Magnum Compliance. So you've got auxiliary and your audio there, handy cup holders down low. So over on this side, that's the extra safety I was talking about. So that's your lane departure assist, collision assist. You've got idle stop technology, what's way better for the environment, and stability control there as well. And handy push button start, what's also a really nice touch there too. And just a wee bit over 61,000 Ks as well. So if you want a great looking little hatchback in pearl white that's not going to break your bank, you can drive away this Nissan Note for $14,999 or from no deposit finance. T's, C's and lending criteria applies. Come find your next car.